Hello everyone and welcome once again to another TUFMAN2 tutorial. Here with me is a trip with an error that is specific to TUFMAN2 data. When placing my cursor over the error, it is saying that multiple import activities at trip end. When checking the end of this trip, I can see that there are two activities of type 6 import, unload, or transshipment on the 17th and 18th of May. This is an example of a duplicate that we need to remove. The sensible thing to do here is to delete one of them. Before deleting, let me say this, and I have mentioned this in some of the tutorials. I'm able to delete because I am part of the admin team in SPC. But apart from us, only the entity that created this trip will be able to delete or make changes. Who exactly can make these changes is shown here under the Info Side menu. And if you refer to the country source, you will be able to identify the country who created this. For this trip, it is FSM. Also, this trip will be visible only to the entities under visible in. So Marshall, FSM, Kiribati, Nauru, Papua New Guinea, PNA and FFA will be able to view only, but FSM has the right to make changes and delete. Now on how to verify this trip. You can always check the log sheet attachment. For this trip there is none, but there is the VMS track that we can also use to verify. So go to the map. Let's also include the VMS track. The log sheet track generally looks consistent with the VMS track. Here we can see the starting point of the fishing trip, and here is the end of the trip on the 17th of May. Let's click on it to see it on the activity list. It now makes sense to delete the 18th of May, which is the duplicate activity. So click on delete, say yes to confirm. Now one more thing that we have to do before saving this trip. In the trip header it says return date is 18th May. We have deleted this, so I will change this to the 17th of May. Also, the last day on the log sheet is 18th May. We have to also correct this to 17th of May. If you don't do this bit after saving, I am sure that you will get another but a different error. Once you have made these changes, hit the save button. Good job! We now have a thumbs up trip. Hope this tutorial is useful. If you have questions, put them down in the comments. Thank you for your time and see you in the next video.